YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Thrax, and I got another banger coming y'all way. I'd like to welcome you back to the channel where I do sneaker reviews, how-tos, and sneaker news. Today we keeping up the grind, and we got day 4 of my 60 Days of Sneakers series. The show starts right now. Today we're gonna be detailing another Saucony Shadow 6000. This time we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go to the Packers colorway. It is yet another steal that I got off eBay. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Alright y'all, let's start off at the toe box. You're gonna have that same suede material that was on the Crew Worlds. On these you're gonna have perforated suede on the toe, and then you're also gonna have it on the underlay of the side paneling. You're also gonna get it inside the 3 Saucony S's. They switched it up and put perforated suede also on the tongue. I like that. It's very breathable. Even the ones on the sides are very breathable as well, and the ones on the toe. I can't go too much into detail with this color. As y'all see, it's an all green olive color, but you can see that they did put some detailing on the shoe. It's just all in the same color, so there's not much of a pop on it. Me personally, I like that they did the whole shoe in one color. I like monocolored shoes like this, and it's a nice little pop to the gum bottom. Speaking of the gum bottom, you got another XT600 outsole, and it's also got the Saucony badging on it. And then with the midsole, they went with an all white and put a little Saucony badging right there. On the inside, you got an all green insole to match the shoe, and you also got black Saucony badging right there. Comfort level on these is just about the same as the Crew Worlds. It's a very nice shoe to wear. Something quick that you can throw on, even if you want to just throw on a white tee or any of my military green OCP stuff. I can throw it on with that, and it'll look good with any of that stuff. The suede hasn't been too hard to keep clean. I always keep a little suede eraser around just so I can get any scuffs out that happen to get on the shoe, but it hasn't been hard to keep clean at all. One of my favorite features about the shoe is that they have the contrast between the outsole and the midsole. I think the gum bottom and the white midsole is a perfect touch to it. They fit true to size, they're comfortable. I got no complaints about this shoe. All in all, great shoe, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get these on feet for y'all. Alright y'all, get down in the comments, y'all let me know how y'all like this shoe, man. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This has been Thrax.Kicks, and I'm out.